So on this case, this house, 165,000 euro for detached house. You will not find a similar offers or never or almost never on the market now. Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to make this kind of videos and help our clients with the buy, sale and of course the rent of real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. It's end of June and it's hot. It's very hot early in the morning, and now I'm staying here and I'm sweating, but that's why all we love Spain. That's why all the people are coming here, because it's always sunny weather. And today, friends, we have a very nice offer. You almost never will find now these days something for this price, but because I will show you today this detached house, completely detached house, independent house with 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, nice terrace around, that is located in Quesada. We're in the upper part of Ciudad Quesada. Actually, I was usually coming here with my bike to see the sunset, because it's upper part and you see from the other side, 200 meters away from here, you see Benijofar city, you see all the Vega Baja, many cities, and the view is very nice and the sunset is very nice there too. So I like this place. And yeah, we are in Quesada. We are 20 minutes away from Torrevieja, 10-15 minutes away from the beach of Guardamar or El Moncayo. So yeah, this area is populated, but by most of the people living here are foreigners from Germany, Sweden, Norway, many British people living here, Spanish people also, maybe 30-40% or less. So on this case, this house, 165,000 euro for detached house. You will not find a similar offers or never or almost never on the market now. And before we enter, just quick, I want to explain that the owner has prepared all this part there to have a small roof terrace. It's done, the tiles of the floor are there. The only thing that it's needed is to put a stair like the neighbor did, a spiral stairs on the terrace, and then you can join to this terrace, and from this terrace you can have amazing view to the salt lake of La Mata and also sea views. So friends, now we're coming inside. Outside, the owner is always parking 2 cars that he has, so you have park spot always there. Share it with the neighborhood, and look at this nice part of the property here. You can walk all around the house. Good tiles, everything is included in the price. Furniture, just some small things goes out, but everything you will see here is included. So as the garden furniture, look how beautiful, quite nice here it is. Follow me. We have windows, the house has windows all around, some storage, BBQ, chill out area or lounge area, and look at this jacuzzi. It's also included in the price for 6 persons, so you can enjoy here with whole family and friends. Now it's empty because the owner was out, but the jacuzzi is functional and working. And as you see, we can go around all the house. We have 100 square meters plot on this case here outside, and 70 square meters surface or constructed area inside the house. Follow me and we'll see the inside of the house, on which we enter here. That was a terrace before, but now it's covered completely, so you can use it for the shoes, for the jackets, or for the clothes. Here we are inside the living room. Everything has window, nice bar for breakfast. Kitchen is also in good condition, looks good. We have air conditioning machine, and let's start here. We have here 1 bedroom, of course, with windows. This is the first bedroom. And let's see The second one, it's direct here. We have also window there. Third bedroom here. And I want to mention that as you have many bedrooms, on this case, you have a possibility to break this wall out, and leave it complete, open it, so you will still got 2 bedrooms and very big living space if you need more living room. Bathroom completely renovated with window. And finally, the 4th bedroom here with air conditioning machine, window that goes outside, good space. So yeah, the house offers a lot of things. So friends, this is all. You will not find a property for this price now on the market. Will be sold very quick. So if you have interest, contact me. You have my contact details here. Share this video with your family, friends, maybe somebody that is interested on buying house here in our region. I wish you all the best and see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.